Hey, welcome back, Math 7 students. So, I got some news for you. Your con today, comparing distributions, is the last video I'm creating for you for the year. How about that? We've done it, guys. We've done it. We're there. We're reaching the end. So, here's what we got on this one, and I'm only doing one sample problem for you on the last one because they're all pretty much the same type thing. All right. So in Minneapolis and Portland, they have very similar latitudes, meaning we're the same distance basically from the equator um, for both of us. All right. And so they are going to, by the way, that affects how cold you get. Okay. So they took a couple of histograms, okay, to look at the temperatures in both Portland and Oregon in January during 2013. So here's Portland right here. Portland, here's their average, I think it's their daily high. Yeah, here's their average daily high in Portland right here. And in Minneapolis, this is Minneapolis's daily highs temperatures right here. Okay, can you tell that Minnesota tends to be a little bit colder than Portland, Oregon? Okay, so what can we gather from these histograms? A, on average, Minneapolis was colder during January. On average, I would agree with that. On average, Minneapolis is colder than Portland. Okay, so yes, I would agree with that. On any given day, it was colder in Minneapolis than it was in Portland. Well, on some given days, Minnesota got up to 7 degrees, while on maybe those same given days, Portland, Oregon was only between 1 and 4 degrees. So, no, there were some days that could have been colder in Portland than in Minneapolis, but not many. Most of the days were colder in Minnesota, but on any given day, that's not true because there could have been a day when it was actually colder in Portland. Okay. The daily high temperatures in January vary more noticeably in Minneapolis. Well, you'll notice the daily highs go from negative 20 to positive 7. So we vary by like 27 degrees. Versus in Portland, Oregon, they go from 1 degree to, I don't know what the next number would be, 13 right there. They only go from 1 to 13. So they only vary like 13 degrees. So, no, we do vary more noticeably in Minneapolis. So you just pick all the ones that apply and check them with me if you need to. And that's all I got. Hey, last video. I am out, guys. Congratulations. Bye bye.